Hey guys, so the other day I was sitting with my mother and like the good old days, we started watching a Daily Soap ka episode, which is pretty normal for a 90s kid like me, not gonna lie. And there was a show on air which was called Ishq Par Zor Nahi. To give you a gist of it, the show portrays the different perception male lead and female lead has towards the institution of marriage. Or in a nutshell, it shows the girl as that woke feminist and outspoken one, and the guy as that typical big businessman with stereotypical personality. Sounds like a normal plot, right? Now I want you to watch these two scenes from the same episode, and I want you to watch it because it's important.
लेकिन तुम्हारे साथ एक सेकंड भी नहीं रुक सकता मैं यहाँ।
आप मुझे छोड़कर नहीं जा सकते।
तुम होती कौन हो मुझे रोकने वाली? मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से और तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
आप नहीं जा सकते। लगी 100 की? मैं चाहूँ ना तो आपको यहीं इसी चेयर पर बिठा कर रख सकती हूँ। मुझे छोड़कर मत जाओ बेबी।
क्या बेबी बेबी लगा रखा है तुमने? आप इसे नहीं जानती, झूठ बोल रही है लड़की।
मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ? इस इंसान को खाना शेयर करना पसंद नहीं है। बस इतनी सी बात पे मुझसे ब्रेकअप कर लिया इस इंसान ने। मैं क्या जवाब दूंगी?
Hey, she winked at me. ना ही ये बेहोश है, ना ही ये मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है।
Are you okay ना? बस ये एक बार मेरे साथ बैठकर डिनर कर लेंगे, बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाऊंगी। कहा था ना, this इश्की is very risky।
जो ये रेस्टोरेंट में तुमने स्टूल में चढ़ के सबके सामने ड्रामा किया, तुम्हें क्या लगता है किसी लड़की को ये सब सूट करता है?
नहीं, हंसी मजाक तो सिर्फ लड़कों पर सूट करता है। लड़कियां तो इस दुनिया में रोते रोते घर में झाड़ू पोछा लगाने के लिए पैदा हुई है ना।
Don't misinterpret my words, okay? लड़का हो या लड़की, जो ये हरकत थी वो बेहुदा थी। लड़का करे तो गलत, लेकिन लड़की करे तो ज्यादा गलत। लड़के तो होते ही राउडी है, लेकिन लड़कियों को तो
रूल्स मानने पड़ते हैं। कितने भी अच्छे कपड़े क्यों ना पहन ले, लेकिन आपकी सोच वो अंकलों वाली है। हेलो, लीजिए, बाबा आदम का फोन है। आपसे अपने थॉट्स वापस मांग रहे हैं। हजारों साल पहले लड़कियों ने मान मर्यादा का टेंडर भर दिया है और वो पूरा हो गया है। इसलिए अब मान मर्यादा का ख्याल लड़कों को रखने दीजिए। अगर रूल्स बनाने हैं तो लड़का लड़की दोनों के लिए इक्वल बनाइए।
Yes, I'm here to talk about the rampant false portrayal of wokeness and feminism in new age daily soaps. और अगर ये सुन के ये दिमाग में आया कि ओह लड़का होके you will talk about feminism, that's exactly where the problem lies. So, this girl lies, acts out a victim, creates a scene, and later instead of apologizing, calls it an act of female liberation and freedom, to which guy says another thing कि लड़का करे तो गलत, लड़की करे तो और गलत, क्योंकि लड़के तो होते ही राउडी हैं। Did you see what's wrong there? If not, hear me out. The moment anybody, be it of any gender, tries to take undue advantage of their gender, they willingly surrender their right to be treated equally. The entire purpose of equality is defeated the moment any gender tries to play out a victim card. लड़के ने जो बोला वो तो anyway was badly patriarchal, but लड़की ने जो counteract किया wasn't justified either. You can't be sitting in a restaurant taking sympathy, demonizing a guy, and then later come out of the restaurant acting like you are a new age feminist. You already mocked the very institution of feminism, which already is deeply misunderstood. For a moment, imagine our parents, our grandparents, which unfortunately is the generation plagued by these old stereotypes, watching scenes like this. You surely will break a wall, but you will end up replacing it with even bigger one, an even more toxic one. You know what's more dangerous than patriarchy? Replacing it with wrong idea of feminism. Now this might sound like me making a big scene out of a trivial scene out of a daily soap, but trust me, these small moments matter. A toxic mentality always stems out of a seed that's implanted first. And mind that this show is rated for an audience as young as 12 years old. Being a writer myself, it baffles my mind to think that scenes like these are being telecasted on a national television. Where is the accountability? Where is the quality control? False portrayal like this is the reason why feminism, which should be celebrated by every gender out there, is literally feared by our generation. So coming straight from my heart to all the writers, creators, actors, or anybody who creates art for world to consume out there. It's our art which is gonna shape the future. It's high time that we know what we are putting out there. पहले के time पे access नहीं था. Mentality was different. It was difficult to change. But nowadays, when we are literally talking about these things every single day, there is no justification to make blunders like this. It's high time to be conscious and aware of what you put out there. Reach comes with a responsibility. And it's high time we realize that. Thanks a lot for watching.